Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make Instagram account private on laptop, and here is how it is done. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Instagram's official website, www.instagram.com. Once there, log in using your username and password. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture located at the lower left corner of the page. This will take you to your profile page. Now that you are on your profile page, look for the settings option. You can find it by clicking on the gear icon next to the Add Tools button. From here, you'll be directed to the settings menu. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, you will see an option labeled Account Privacy. Check the box that says Private Account. This will make your account private, meaning only people you approve will be able to follow you and see your post. After checking the box, Instagram will ask you to confirm the change. Just click Switch to Private, and your account will now be private. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now private. Only approved followers can view your post, stories, and other activities. And that is everything you need to know about how to make Instagram account private on laptop. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.